For example 1, we're going to look to see if we can solve this using factorisation. So we're going to look for two numbers that multiply to give minus 24. And the reason for that is because here we've got A equals 3, we've got B is minus 2, and C is minus 8. Good technique is to look to see, right, what is A times C? A times C is minus 24. So we need the two numbers to multiply to give minus 24, but then add to give minus 2. So just thinking of some pairs of numbers, we know minus 6 times 4 would be minus 24. And if I did minus 6 plus 4, I would get minus 2. So these are going to be the numbers that we're going to use. I then use those two numbers, minus 6 and plus 4, and split that middle term of minus 2x. So I got 3x squared minus 6x plus 4x minus 8 equals 0. Now we look to factorise the first two terms and then the last two terms. So common factor there would be 3x. And then on the inside of the brackets, I should have x, and I believe this time it's going to be minus 2. Yep. And then we look to factorise the last two terms, so I can take 4, in this case a positive 4 out, and then in the brackets x minus 2. Now you know you're probably right if the two brackets match. Now we can write these as double brackets. Okay, now from that we can use what we've got in our brackets, knowing that x would have to be a value that would allow the whole bracket to equal 0, because either 3x plus 4 equals 0 or x minus 2 equals 0, because when you multiply two things together you get 0, one of them or both of them would be 0. In this case, for x to make this one 0, well, we can do x equals minus 4 over 3. Or, if we look at our second bracket, x would need to equal 2. So our two solutions, x equals minus 4 over 3 or x equals 2.